I quit having health insurance 2 years ago and I'm never going back. The system's so broken. It's so incredibly broken, especially after I had a baby and I had all the pediatric visits and all the appointments, and we ran into some health issues that got really, really bad because we were kind of held hostage with having to pay a bill that we were disputing because it was incorrectly filed, but we had to go through this crazy system where we would leave messages for the billing person and like wait for them 48 hours, whatever, to call us back. And if we missed the call, then we'd have to like leave another message and wait for them to call us back. Meanwhile, my daughter was just getting sicker and sicker, and I was like, this is some bullshit. So I started looking around, saying there's got to be somebody innovative, somebody entrepreneurial who is taking a different approach to healthcare and to just making sure that people get preventative care and get sick care when they need it. And I found it. It's called CrowdHealth. It's really, really interesting. The way it works is that there's this big community of people, and we all pay a monthly fee to be a part of CrowdHealth, and that pays for the salaries and the staff and, you know, everything it takes to run the business. And then we pay a separate fee each month that actually goes towards somebody's healthcare costs. If some lady named Rachel in Idaho broke her leg, they will take her bill, say it's $4,000, and they'll split it up in like $100 or $200 chunks and send it out to however many members it takes to pay that $4,000. And then they take the money out of my account, my $100 or $200 that I need to pay. We have a family account, so we pay a little bit more. And they'll send it like directly to Rachel. And so it goes directly to her. And they have a team of lawyers and negotiators and billing coding people and whatever it takes to understand how this works, who negotiate cash pay prices for this. The doctors love it because they get paid a lot faster and they don't have to spend all this time on the phone fighting with the insurance companies about, was this pre-approved or whatever, and you didn't code this the right way. You know, we just agree on cash price, they get paid faster, and it's a better price than with the insurance companies. You know, when they get involved, everything gets nuts. So we've been on this for 2 years and it's fantastic, it's excellent. There is like a minimum amount that we have to spend out of pocket every year before they start paying, and they do it by events. So if I was to break a leg, then that's one event, and there's like a deductible towards those events. And I think it's like $500, and then after that, the crowd starts paying. It's really, really innovative, and it's a community. What's so cool about it is that I just got an email today, their monthly newsletter, that they are lowering our costs for this year. So everybody else is dealing with increases in premiums and co-pays and these very complicated systems. We got an email that they're lowering our costs for the year because the crowd grew or our bills went down or whatever. But they're constantly calibrating what our monthly contribution needs to be to care for the group. They also send out these cool pie charts, I'll post them here, where they tell us how much of the money went to injuries, how much of it went to like pregnancies and new babies. Love to see that. Other, all kinds of other stuff. There's also a ton of perks that come with CrowdHealth. I think BetterHelp is included. You get some free visits with BetterHelp. Tons of other, they negotiate, I think every quarter they negotiate like deals if you want to do like a body scan or something like that. They negotiate different deals and you can take advantage of those deals. It's really, really cool. It's like a healthcare community rather than like health insurance coverage. It has a totally different feel. And if you have something big come up, they have people who will help you negotiate that, work with that hospital or those doctors and help you kind of get through it. They also, because they, kind of see what's going on in the country, they kind of know what's a fair price, what's not a fair price for different areas, and they can help you figure that out. So anyways, if you are looking for an alternative to healthcare this year, I highly recommend you check out CrowdHealth. I think I get like a little, like referral fee or something. So I will post my link, whatever below. But even if you don't want to use that, this is just a great way to care for your family. So I have so much security because like, if we have something crazy and catastrophic, I have people who will come in and help me make sense of what's happening with the billing. I have people who will help negotiate that. I will, but there's no there's no like upper limit, you know, and it's just not so complicated. It's just a lot better. And it feels like a community, you know, and like you want, like, it's just nice. It's just nice when people aren't trying to like nickel and dime you and change everything and make the system worse and worse, and then just tell you that like, what's your problem? Like, why are you upset about this? Like, we provide a great service here. It's just a lot less noise. So, CrowdHealth, check it out.